Mitino ya barabara ikoretwo iri imwe ya njira iria akenya makoretwo magite mioyo yao na njira nene, guku amwe magitigwo na nguraro cia mwiri undu umwe na cia ngoro, wagi wa wuigiririki barabara-ini kuri honge itiganite ukiorotwo uri umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo magicungiriria mitino eno. Na niguo kunyihia mitino eno na kugacirithia wuigiririki, ruhonge rwa NTSA ni ruruguritie tabarira iretwo usalama barabara-ini neria irongoreirie kugacirithia mathomo kuri ahuthiri a barabara megie wuigiririki.
People have to be very sober, especially during this period, so that they don't drive and make it risky for other road users in those particular roads.
Saving lives in our roads is a noble and a very important aspect of our engagement.
Ni tabarira ihetwo kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 400 kuma kuri kiama kia European Union. Baduatero kuma ruhonge rwa NTSA akiuga tabarira eno igukorwo igithie na mbere kaunti 6 guothe bururi-ini iria ikoretwo ikigumirwo ni mitino mingi ya barabara.
Kwa nini watu wa bodaboda hawafuati sheria? Kwa nini wanavuka mataa? What can we do to help? What can we do to support this sector?
Ni tabarira igukorwo igikuruhania ahuthiri othe a barabara. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NTSA George Jau agithingata muingi kuyukia wuigiririki barabara-ini uri undu wa mundu kiumbe.
Our matatu operators will actually be able to move around without any much hindrance because of the circuit that we will be creating.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa gavana wa Naikuru Dagitari Eric Kolil augite ni athingatite atwarithia a bodaboda gukorwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere kunyitanira na thirikari hari kugacirithia wuigiririki undu umwe na kuhitana na uhaguku wa ugitiri.
If you can tell us those who are not clean, those who are not doing the right thing, it will be very good for our reinforcement so that the communities living around here can feel safe even to ride or even walk around with their bike.
We have the new driving school rules which is being implemented right now. The schools are being validated so that they become real schools.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitau njitagwo Wambui wa Njuguna.